Welcome back to Wanna Watch Me Code. We just installed the Swizzy MCP skill, the Swizzy AI skill, and now we're gonna go ahead and go and use it. So I'll do plan mode, and then I don't know, what should I make? Let's do using the Swizzy MCP tools. Please create me a distributed architecture where I don't know, what do I want to make? Anyone here? No, I guess not. Bummer. Okay, so distributed architecture. I don't know. I'll just tell it to create something like create me a full stack or a website for aggregating ticket prices. Please create me a website, both front end and back end, that aggregates ticket prices from various providers and shows them on the front end web page. It should show yeah, I'll just do that for now. And hopefully it does a good job here. Using tokens, thinking more. Unfurling. Real ticket master, real geek, both real. Heroes mock data for multiple no API keys needed ready to swap him. Okay, it will mock it. Table list, no frills, just data, card based layout with search bar. Vanilla HTML, CSS, React. Okay. I think I need to make the AI skill a little better. I think it doesn't pick up on certain things that it should. But we'll see. We'll see how quick it goes. We're at 48 seconds in. I have made websites within like 2 minutes, but okay, now let me go through design and use a plan agent. And where's the bring this over? Find him. No. I don't know. It always tries to look in directories I don't want it to look in. What's he want to do this for? Alright, fine. No. Yes. Yes. Okay. No. There's nothing swizzy in here. Okay. Uned version. Swerve. No, you don't need to look at that. Why are you looking at all this? No, just stop. No. Just give me the plan. Let's go. That was a really bad prompt though, but we'll see. Claude has written a plan. Okay, let's read the plan. Build a full stack, take it for a second. This doesn't sound right, but let's see what it does. Let's just go. Oh, I didn't even see all that. Where'd that come from? What? Cool. Using the tool. Let's see. Control O. See the commands it's running. Does it update there? Columns with the creating backend. It gets probably cloning. Why are you inspecting it? Oh, okay. And this is the creating router with the tool, creating controller or controllers. Now let me read the generated controller files. Now let me read the main service file and package.json. App entry point, see how middleware is handled. Let's see, controller. Okay, bash find. What is he looking for? We're at 20 lines. What are we doing here? We're at 69 lines. Why are you reading that? Okay, writing the search controller. Okay, query. Add course middleware. Okay. starting the server. Let me verify it's running. Backend is live. Let me do quick test. Okay, create web service. So it's creating the front end web service now. It's pretty cool. So how long did that take then? Control O. It's been going for 4 minutes. It did the entire back end in 4 minutes, it looks like. Although it's not, the business logic isn't really there. It's just kind of hard coded. But onto the back end or front end. I don't know, it doesn't really need to like understand the project really. I feel like I need to do a better job of giving it context it needs to realize how the base project is laid out. Right through Xfile. Okay, it's doing the UI now. I found that a lot of times it like it'll do the back end and it'll create the front end service, but it just won't implement like any of the UI. In the first pass, but hopefully here it'll be doing that. So okay, now I'll replace app.tsx red. Okay, put the ticket compare price limited for demo. Now update CSS with all custom component classes the app uses. Okay, so it's, I guess, getting, okay, cool. So it got the context that it uses CSS, so it's not doing inline Tailwind, which is good. Now it's running it on port 3000. I guess I can go there. Let's see. Okay, whoops, localhost 3000. Whoops, not what we wanted, 3000. Cool. And then what's it doing now? Now it's calling it. Cool. And then is it control O? 6 minutes 30 seconds, and it's done. Cool, so 6 minutes 37 seconds. Hey man, what's going on? Oh, it's not loading? Why is the bit rate so bad? Shoot. Can you hear it? That's so weird. Buried at 6,000, isn't it? What is going on? Can you still not see anything? Let me see. Let's go. Okay. I don't know. Works on my phone. A lot of things have been working for me, but not other people. No sound, no video. Shoot.